stop playing with him. J-Da-Vinci and his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
What's up, y'all?
So we're gonna be doing a clarifying mask. So he wants, not he wants, but we're gonna put his hair away just so it doesn't get messed up. Alright, so what does it say we have to do? He's already started off with his towel washed face. We're gonna apply an even layer on dry skin.
Uh-oh, it's dripping.
We're not gonna get his lovely, what's this called, a beard?
Mm-hmm.
We're not gonna get his lovely beard. How does it feel so far?
Cold. Feels like a face paint or something.
Yeah, the brush just helps me not get it everywhere, you know?
Yeah.
Now it says to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna just get some stuff so we can clean this up. Is it because of the stuff?
I guess so. It smells good though.
Oh, guys, Gavin's crying. All right, 5 to 10 minutes.
As long as that's all the directions.
Y'all, I'm over here re-gluing down the side of my wig. If you love this wig, I got it from Cupcake Beauty Bar. I forgot all about you. Stop. Are you trying to help me out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's just coming right off.
That's good.
It almost smells like ketchup. So how does your face feel?
Great. It feels fresh. It felt good when it was getting peeled off. The black man.
It's nice and soft. If you guys liked our video, big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Twerking with me and his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just